Welcome everyone, and I'm very much happy that the love you have showed me in the first video of this channel, of this playlist, like Python beginner. It's amazing. Some of you have messaged me over in Telegram, some of you have messaged me in Instagram, and some students have also commented out in the YouTube. Okay, and it's really a sense of appraisal for me. Okay, and it will help me to boost my lecture. Okay, it just enhance the beauty of this lecture, so I am very happy. ठीक है, तो चलिए आज शुरू करने हम जा रहे हैं. तो शुरू करने के पहले मैं दो चीज आप लोगों को बताना चाहता हूं कि देखिए, पहला बात यह है कि एवरी डे हम जो क्लास ले रहे हैं उसका डिटेल्स आपको कहाँ मिलेगा, और सेकेंड पॉइंट ये है कि हमारा जो इंटर्नजंक्शन जो कंपनी है, वो कंपनी साइड बाय साइड एक इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम भी चलाता है. ठीक है, तो इंटर्नशिप में आप कैसे एनरोल कर सकते हो, कैसे आप लोग जा सकते हो, ठीक है, वो भी मैं आपको बता दूंगा. ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का हमारा वीडियो. चलिए, तो देखिए फर्स्ट जो है कि यह हमारा वेबसाइट का जो पहला पेज है. ठीक है, फ्रंट पेज जो आते हैं, होम पेज, तो वो होम पेज है. तो www.internjunction.in. okay, so this is our website, and if you just move to this website, you can see that there is a apply section, right? This is a apply section. Okay, so here you can apply by clicking this apply button. You can just navigate to the internship process. Okay, so don't just waste your time. Okay, if you are not doing any type of internship or something like this, just you can just go to this. Okay, and second जो है वो है हमारे लेजर पॉइंटर ले लेता हूँ. ठीक है, तो इसके बाद है जो किस किस डोमेन में हमारा मतलब इंटर्नशिप हो रहा है. तो करेंटली वी हैव like 5 or 6 domains. Okay, like ML, data science, web development, app development, Python and Java. Okay, so मैं क्लियर कर देता हूँ कि ये 30 डेज का एक प्रोग्राम है. ओके, मतलब 4 वीक्स का करीब करीब प्रोग्राम है. तो उसमें से आपको कंपटीशन में सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. ओके, सो वी आर MSME सर्टिफाइड, सो डोंट वरी, द internship certificate is absolutely valid. Okay. Okay, so next, our internship registration is going on and it is up to 29th July. Okay, so next बात यह है कि हम जो क्लास कर रहे हैं उसका पीपीटी, एवरी डे जो हम पीपीटी शेयर कर रहे हैं वो आपको कहाँ पे मिलेगा, कंटेंट कहाँ पे मिलेगा. तो हमारा जो इंटर्नजंक्शन का जो टेलीग्राम है आप देख सकते हो. ठीक है, ये ऑफिशियल है, और इस पे जाके आप अगर ज्वाइन करते हो तो वहां पे आपको सारे डिटेल्स मिल जाएगा. एंड इसके बाद हम जितने भी वीडियोस बनाएंगे, ठीक है, अभी तो जैसे बहुत ही बेसिक स्टेज चल रहा है, तो जैसे जैसे हम कोडिंग की तरफ मूव करेंगे, वी विल गिव यू सम कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस इन दिस telegram channel. Okay, so these are the 2 announcement. Okay, so now we are moving forward to the main topic of today. Okay, so that is installation of Python ideally. Okay, so what is the ideally? Ideally means integrated development environment. Okay, so whenever we are using any programming language, we have to write the code into some environment. You can say me that what is an environment. Suppose this is you. Okay, one sec, I'm just removing this because it is not showable. Okay, so if I write in a white, you can see. Okay, suppose this is you. Okay, and you just roaming around in some path. Okay, so now what is the thing that is surrounding you? So you are surrounded by the environment. Okay, you are surrounded by the environment. While you are running the code, you are writing the code, this code is the driver. Okay, and you can compare this code as yourself. So you must have to deploy this particular code under some environment. So this is the environment where you deploy your code to be run. तो रन होने के लिए आपको आइडियली पे कोड लिखना है. ठीक है, तो इसमें हम देख लिए कि आइडियली का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, आइडियली का पर्पस क्या है. So without ideally you cannot write a single piece of code. So whether it may be the ideally given by Python or it may be any other ideally which is provided by the third party softwares. Okay, it's up to you, like PyCharm, okay, like anything. Okay, so let's get into it. So first visit the, these are the steps. Okay, you can go through these steps one by one, but I am showing you how you have to navigate and how you have to do all these procedures. Okay, let's head into the main Google Chrome page. Okay, so after coming this Google, you have to write www.python.org. okay, so after coming this page, you can see this is the official Python website. Okay, so we have to navigate to welcome to Python, and here you can see directly download, but don't go here because this is giving you the latest download. And what I suggest that this latest version may contain some bugs into it, right? तो मार्केट में जब भी कोई नया वर्जन आता है उसमें bugs होते हैं, so don't go for it. Okay, so rather what we are going, just scroll down. Okay, and you can see like there is many things. Okay, what is happening, what is the latest news. Okay, so but we have to download this, so click on the download, and here you can see there are many Python like versions. Okay, so what I prefer, just download the one previous version. Okay, one previous version, because look what is happening, the previous version is bug free. So just navigate to this Python 3 point like this, and we have to download this. Okay, so after coming here, so you will see that there are different file. So go for that particular file which are for your operating system. Maybe someone using Mac OS, so just go for this because this is your 64-bit. Someone are using the Windows, so just go for this Windows installer 64-bit. But if anyone using your Windows like 32-bit, just you can check here. Okay, Windows installer 32-bit. So my laptop is 64-bit, so I will click into this. So here you can see that my Python application is here. So I will just click into save, and you can see that it has been downloaded. It is just 25.5, right? So I just click into it. So now as I have already Python, okay, as I have already Python in my cell, so that's why it is showing that upgrade now. Okay, so if I say upgrade, it will just replace my existing files to the current files. Okay, so for you it will be installed now. Don't go for this customize installation, because in it we have to set the path, we have to set the location. So just click on the install now. That it. Okay, that it. So I just cancel from my side. Okay, now how you can check whether your Python has been installed into your end or not. So for that, just go to this and search CMD. CMD means command prompt. Everybody knows this. So after coming this command prompt, you can say like Python and then one space and dash version. If you hit, we can see that Python 3.12.2 is coming. That means if this is coming, okay, suppose if you go for the version number 3.13.3, so that will be your version. Okay, so in my case this is 3.12.2. so this is the version that ensures that Python has already been installed into your end. Now you are good to go. So one trick is this. Another, you can just write IDLE, and sorry guys, IDLE, and if you just look IDLE, it is coming as an app form. So just click into it. Okay, just click into it, and boom, here it is coming. Your IDLE shell is absolutely fine. So here you can also see 3.12.2. okay, so now we can ensure by two things that my IDLE has been installed completely. Now we will code into another software, okay, that is called this Visual Studio Code into our entire course. Why I'm telling, it is not a big problem for using this ideally, but yeah, obviously when you just go for a long code, it is problematic for you as well to keep track of this particular Python files, okay. So it is hard because you have to go to the Python locations and then you have to find those files, and yeah, obviously the environment is not like that good, and that doesn't suits to me also, okay. So in that case we will just download for our future, okay. So Visual Studio Code, here you can see Visual Studio. So after coming to this Visual Studio, you have to download this Visual Studio. So how? Just click on this download, and if you just click on the download, here it is coming, it is for Windows or Mac or something. If your end is Windows, then just go for this. If your OS is Mac, then just go for this. And if so in my case it is like Windows, so I'm just clicking up to this, and you can see that my VS Code is just downloading, okay. So I will not download because already my setup is downloaded. So I am just heading towards this VS Code right now. VS Code, okay. If I just head into this VS Code, you can see that this is my VS Code. When you come, your welcome file will be open, okay. Now what you have to do, you have to just go to this extension, okay. Just remind the steps. Just go to the extension and search for the Python. If you search for the Python, you can easily see that these are some Python extension, okay. So just download this, okay, Python. Just download this. In my case, I have already downloaded, so the install section is already there. So the uninstall option is coming into my end. So for you, it will come install. So just click into install, okay. So these are the way how you can install your Python in the VS Code also, okay. So in the next class, we will see that we will just start to code our fast Python code into this channel, okay. So this is up to today's class, okay. For your understanding, I have just pasted those screenshot. What are the steps to follow, okay. You can see that these are the stable procedures, okay. And then you have to write like this, Python dash version, okay. So this is the code you have to input into your console or command prompt, okay. So yeah, I think it is good for you. And yeah, obviously this class is ending right now. क्लास यही पे खत्म हो रहा है, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम मिलते हैं और शुरू करते हैं हमारा पहला पाइथन का प्रोजेक्ट, ओके। बाय बाय।